stand up. Good day.
Good day, teacher.
Thank you. Take your seat. Now, children, let's begin our today's lesson. Now, who is on duty today?
I am on duty today.
Who is absent today?
All are present.
All are present. Great. Sit down, please. Okay. Warming up activity, and I have a few questions related to the previous lesson. Now, do you understand me?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, you should answer my question, okay?
Yes.
The first question, why do we eat? Why do we eat? Now, Japan, please.
The human body needs for food for energy to keep warm and for repair and growth.
Right. I'll give you this sticker. Good job. Sit down, take your stand, thank you. Now, next question is it important what we eat and why? Now, please answer my question. Zirde, please.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. It is also important to know how much we eat. We may also eat because we are bored, lonely, or all present.
Yes, good. I'll give you this sticker. Now, third question. What is healthy food and what is unhealthy or junk food? Now, please answer. Nazike, please.
Healthy foods are meat, eggs, and fruits, and vegetables.
Vegetables.
Unhealthy foods are fast foods, for example, burger, hamburger, cola chips, and hot dog.
Yes, very good. Thank you, children. Okay, children, I divide you into two groups, healthy activity and healthy lifestyle. You should choose these shapes, words are written, and divide into group, okay?
Yes.
Now all you come up with the blackboards and take these shapes and read and divide into group. Song. Swim. This healthy activity. Now we that's all?
Yes.
Okay, now all of you look at the whiteboard. I introduce theme of the lesson objectives and descriptor, okay? Now, theme of the lesson, creating lists of healthy habits. And the lesson objectives, creating poster and to write about healthy habits using some super coherent arguments and to talk about the healthy food they would like to eat. And descriptor, first, guess the theme of the lesson properly, show or explain the key words of the lesson, identify healthy and unhealthy habits, create 10 or more instructions of healthy living. Now, do you understand me?
Yes.
Open your books on page 92. 92 on page. Now, open your books. Now, all of you look at the whiteboard. At first, I introduce you the new words. They are our today's new words. Now, first, carbohydrate, dairy product, dehydrated, fuel, in good shape, muscle, repair, and stop. Now, listen to me, then repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Carbohydrate, dairy product, dehydrated, priority in class, you should to watch the video and interactive. Good. Then do the tasks. Okay? Now all you will look at the whiteboard and then listen this video.
Food for sport. Doing sports and physical activities is a great way to keep fit. But how can you get in even better shape? When you play a sport, have you always got the right equipment? Well, think of your body as another important tool for sport. It is important to eat a healthy, balanced diet in order to provide your body with all the nutrients it needs. The right foods and drinks can help you be a better athlete. Both athletes and non-athletes need the same nutrients, like carbohydrates, proteins, and vitamins. However, athletes need to eat even more of the right foods to get all the energy and goodness their bodies need. Foods high in carbohydrates, such as bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes, are an excellent source of energy. When you eat food
Okay, children, now all of you open your books on page 92, exercise 2, read the text, food for sport. Now, who is read? Who is read? Who?
Yeah.
Now, Monica, begin.
Food for sport. Doing sports and physical activities is a great way to keep fit. It is also important to eat a healthy, balanced diet to provide your body with all the nutrients it needs.
Stop. Now, please, Jana, continue, please.
Eating for sport. We all need energy. Foods with carbohydrates such as bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes are an excellent source of energy. When you eat food containing carbohydrates, your body stores the carbohydrate in your muscles. The muscles use carbohydrate as their fuel. The more you exercise, the more carbohydrate you need.
The next task is walk in pair. Exercise 3. Read the text and mark the sentences true, false, doesn't say, and correct the false statements. Now, are you clear?
Yes.
Now, this walk in pair. Now, Monica and Makbal walk together. Alinur Japan, Jana Bazarbay walk together. Yiren Ayajan, Zire Nazirke, and you. Now walk together. True, false, and doesn't say, and correct the false statements. Now, who is reading first sentence? Who is reading first sentence? Who? Now, please, Makbal, please.
Sports help you stay fit and healthy. The sentence is true.
The sentence is true. Now, children, right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, right. Thank you. Take your seat. Now, next, second sentence. Now, who? Sula, please.
From sports, you mean from food. The sentence is doesn't say.
Doesn't say. Now, right or wrong?
Right.
Right, yes. Now, next sentence, third. Now, who? Monica, please.
Sugar and bread strength and athletes muscles. This sentence is false.
The sentence is false. Now, right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Now, correct this sentence.
Protein to keep their muscles and bones strong and in good shape.
Right. Right?
Right.
Thank you. Take your seat. Now, next, fourth sentence. Now, who? Vilma, please.
Air
active made helps an athlete to have energy. The sentence is false.
The sentence is false. Right, yes?
Right.
Now correct, please.
Carbohydrates such as bread, rice, pasta, and potatoes are an excellent source of energy.
Yes. Thank you. Take your seat. The next sentence, fifth sentence. Now, please, Jana, please.
An athlete must drink any water during exercise. This sentence is false.
The sentence is false. Now, right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Now, correct, please.
Have a drink available during exercise.
Have a drink available during exercise. Yes, right. Now, next, the end sentence. Iren, please.
Drink that contains sugar can destroy your death. The sentence doesn't say.
The sentence is doesn't say. Now, right or wrong?
Right.
Right, yes. Thank you. Take it. Okay, children. Our next task is my habits, creating poster. It's group work, and I'll give you paper. You should draw pictures or write their habits. Use your internet. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
I'll give you paper. Draw all pictures or write their habits, okay? Now it's your idea and your opinion. My habits. You may draw pictures or write their habits. Right? You don't need to eat fast food. It is information, yes?
Yes.
You should not smoke because it is harmful to the person. Now, Jahan, you should walk regularly because walking is good. Very good. Now, next word. Are you ready? Have you finished? No. Now, be quick. You need to breathe fresh air. Yes, it is information. Yes, because it is your lungs. Yes. You shouldn't go to bed. To bed late. Yes.
Yes.
You mustn't go because it is Okay, children, have you finished your poster?
We have finished it.
Okay, very good. Now, demonstrate your poster to whole class. Now, who is ready? What group is ready? Now, first group, healthy activity. Now, come up to the blackboard and then demonstrate your poster. Now, second group, listen. Look and listen.
You should walk regularly because walking is good for the blood.
Yes.
You don't need to eat fast food because fast food are harmful in our health.
Yes. Now, next.
You should not smoke because it is harmful to the person.
You should feel happy because I eat regularly and be happy.
Yes, very good. Now, next.
You must eat bread and yogurt because it contains a lot of useful vitamins.
Thank you, very good. Now, second group, let's evaluate opposing team. strategy, 2 stars, and 1 wish.
You are very clever and active. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sit down, please. Now, second group, are you ready?
Yes.
Now, come up to the blackboard and demonstrate your poster.
You need to breathe fresh air because it clears the lungs.
Yeah.
You must learn to relax because it is good for your health.
You shouldn't lay on your sofa all day long because we to have go a walk and breathe fresh air.
Fresh
You
air.
shouldn't-
Very good.
You shouldn't go to bed late.
You shouldn't go to bed late because it leads to laziness.
Now, next. Now, that's all?
Yes.
Now, first group, let's evaluate opposing team. Strategy, 2 stars and 1 wish. Now, who? Japan, please.
We received a lot of information about a healthy habits.
A lot of information about health habits. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Take a seat, please. Now, okay, the next task is differentiation task. It is individual work, and you should do 3 tasks in 5 minutes. Okay? Now, I'll give you this handout, and we have 3 tasks. First, mark the photos. Second, write healthy or unhealthy habits. And the third, choose true or false. Now, are you clear?
Yes.
Now, do. First task is matching. Second, write healthy or unhealthy habits. And the third, choose true or false. Now, I'll give you 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Eat well. What picture? Snow. The number 2. Do exercise. Do exercise. The number 4. Yes. Eat junk food. Junk food is a number 5. Yes.
Yes.
Drink water. So number 3. Okay, now have you finished?
Yes.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Now, only look at the whiteboard and check your tasks. Strategy, ticks or crosses. And write the ends paper. How many mistakes have you got? How many mistakes have you? Okay?
Okay.
Now check your tasks. Okay, children. Now today 2 groups were very active, and I'll give you today's mark. Today Japan was very active and showed your knowledge. 10 points I'll give you. Jana, I'll give you 10 points. Marika, Makbal, 8 points. And Arinur, 7 points. Irin, 9 point, Zirde 9 point, Nazirke, Sungla, and Ignore. Now let's write a reflection today's lesson. Reflection: what have I learned? What new words have I learned? And then what are my problems? Are you clear? Now write your reflection and then sit right here. Okay?
Okay.
Now write it. Now write. As I write. Right? What have I learned? And what new words have I learned? And then what are my problems? Stick your sticker here. Thank you. Now, your home task, preparing the eat-well plate. Are you clear? Preparing the eat-well plate. It is your home task. Okay?
Okay.
Now, all of you stand up. Now, the lesson is over. Thank you today's lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.